Hello everybody, Psycho here playing some Reassembly. So, I saw this game while going through my library and I thought it looked really cool. It's a spaceship builder where it's a top-down shooter. You can build your own ships and everything and fight and stuff. So, I wanted to see how it was, but I wanted to go in as first impressions. So, let's see how this goes. Create a new slot. Select faction. Well, I guess I have to choose Terran. What's your name? Where's purple? That looks cool. Launch. Download. Generating. Move. WASD. I can zoom out. Whoa. So slidey. Similarly colored ships are allies. Everyone else is hostile. M to expand minimap. Mouse wheel to zoom camera. No! Gosh, everything's so slippy. Whoa! This is weird. Oh, damn. How do I stop? Use 1 to modify ship. Okay. 3 to edit ships. 1. Okay. Drag new blocks. P limits ships features. View keyboard commands and help menu. Exit when finished. So I can just put another 2 more plasma cannons on there. Holy crap, that's cool. Let's put 2 defense cannons. Or let's put in... How do I want to rotate this. Oh, that's cool. It shows you how it's gonna rotate. Holy crap, this is cool. Like, say if I didn't want... So, how it's sticking out here is it's showing up like that. Say if I wanted it to rotate and snap like that, I can do that. That's cool. So, there's my 4 defensive cannons. So, let's exit, save. M to view full map. Oh, that's cool. So, this game is not multiplayer, but you see ships from other people that are like, this one was done by Coondog. I can't see it, but it probably looks cool. I don't know where to go. Whoa, I guess that blew me up. So... Oh, damn. Blew up again. I don't know where to... I guess I need to go straight down. Okay. No. This is slippy. Oh, was I getting repaired? Was that thing repairing me? Ah! First battle. Oh. So. Oh, that's cool. This is cool. So as the battle goes on, I pick back up my pieces and oh, just activated one. Cool. Oh, is it rebuilding the... So I guess I have to wait for this to rebuild itself. Protect it a bit. That's cool. Let's see. Map. Where do I have to go now? Oh, you can upgrade your stuff. So I can get little tiny fleets. Can I upgrade my ship? Again. I want to make it bigger. So, let's see. So whenever you, each of these has a regrowth period. So whenever you get shot, I guess, like, after they take so much damage, they disappear. But you have to protect your command module, I guess. So it's kind of like Terra Tech, where you can lose all your pieces, but if your command module goes out, I guess you die. So let's build that a bit differently. We can upgrade something. Oh, I can get more P. So now I can go and I can add extra missile launchers or something. Well, one missile launcher. It's cool. So let's increase my P a bit more. So now I get 363 P, and I have two more rocket launchers because each of those is 3 P. So come on. Ah, I guess I died. That guy had a shield. So I respawn So I respawn at my nearest, like, friendly hub or something. That's what it's called. And I just destroyed part of the friendly hub. I wish there was like a button to stop. It says trade 100R to a spawner for C. Where's a spawner? Oh, I don't have any R. How do I get R? No! No! So you lose all your R. Damn, that thing has strong weapons. Ship's R capacity filled. Increase capacity by adding containers or fly near a station. Oh my gosh. I just got 106 R. So, C. Oh, just transferred. I guess I'm done with the tutorial. So, I guess that'll be it. I'm probably gonna do more of this game once I figure it out better. Build something really cool. So, bye-bye. I know, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.